Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel for Vlogmas Day 3. It is super late in the evening. It's 5 o'clock, 5:15-ish. You can reach? See, well, you're tall. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's 5:15 in the evening. I'm just getting home from work. So I'm gonna vlog the rest of my evening. I'm sorry if I look rough. I'm not bald. I have my hair in a bun in the back. It's been a long Monday. So I'm going to take you all on, or vlog the rest of my evening up until bedtime. This vlog should be going up, well, it should be up by 8:30. I'm trying to get it up. Okay, not 8:30, maybe 9 at the latest. Sorry, I'm talking with my hands. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I need to start cooking right now because it's 5:15. Even though I'm making spaghetti, and spaghetti is the easiest meal ever in the history of dinner, it's not gonna take me no time to make the spaghetti. So I'm gonna show you how I make my spaghetti, and we're gonna do Texas toast, which is easy. You pop it in the oven for 5 minutes, and then bath time, story time, bedtime, in that order. So let's get started. All right, so in my kitchen right now, sorry, again, sorry, I look like a little bum. And we're gonna start with the spaghetti. We have our water. The beef. So if you don't know how to cook beef or turkey or ground chicken or pork or whatever you cook, you have to brown it first and then season it, because you have to drain all the grease. That's my meat. If you're vegan, sorry, I'm not, nor will I ever be vegan. I'm a beef eater. I'm a carnivore. Oh. Say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome back.
Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel. And this is Makenzie, Jasmine.
And what's my name?
Jasmine.
And your name?
Makenzie.
And what are we doing?
Cooking.
We're gonna cook. What are we cooking? Ooh.
Spaghetti.
Okay, excuse me.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
And where's my food?
And where's your stool? I don't know where your stool is.
Butter.
That's noodles for the spaghetti. Noodles. Noodles for the spaghetti.
That's butter.
And that's sugar.
Sugar. Butter.
There's nothing in there.
What is this?
Also, I am gonna turn the oven on because we're gonna make Texas toast. So while we put everything on.
We're going to get through and we're going to cook.
Okay.
So,
We're gonna bake on 350 and let the oven preheat.
and we're going to watch TV.
And let the oven preheat.
And the other TV too.
Okay. Be careful. I don't want you to fall. Okay.
Sugar.
Thank you. Hey, don't break the noodles.
Sugar. This is not sugar.
Never. So I broke it down a little bit, and I'm just gonna wait until it browns and all the way through, and then we can continue on.
Mommy, I can't see.
Oh, sorry.
Are we going to use this to cook?
We're gonna put the pasta
And pasta.
in the pot
And the pot.
so it can boil.
And bouillon. Sorry.
Be careful.
Somebody down there? No. Come on, Cat. Yeah, help.
That's enough. We don't need that much. We can always make more pasta. Okay, so now that the meat, we're gonna season the meat before we put the
vegetables in there.
We're gonna season the meat before we put the spaghetti sauce on the meat. So I like to use a variety of seasonings. 1 big garlic salt. I like this Montreal chicken seasoning. Definitely pepper.
Pepper.
We need some seasoned salt.
Seasoned salt.
And that should be good. That should be good, boo-boo?
Yeah. No, that's not be good.
That's not gonna be good? Okay, so. Okay. Oh, wait. Hold on. Alright, pour some. Thank you.
Okay, did you put it?
Got it?
Ow.
Let me help.
Ow, it hurts me. Oh, wow. Get everywhere.
And we already did that one, so we need pepper. Oh, Jesus. Okay, alright. Oh, ooh, wow. We already did those.
We didn't do this.
Yes, we did. I did that one. You didn't do that one. And then I just mixed the seasoning
And this.
in the meat. For season to your discretion, I like my meat seasoned. You may not. It's all up to you, but
It's good.
yeah, it'll be good once I cook it.
Mommy, I'm gonna wash my iPad.
You leaving me?
I'm gonna wash my iPad. Very quick.
Okay. She gonna wash her iPad real quick. That's what she said. So after I mix that through, I then turn on the fire again and put it on low and just let it simmer until it's warm or hot for that matter. And then we're done with the spaghetti sauce. We just have to wait for the noodles to boil and we're all good.
Some brunch. We're going to our cafe. They have like 2 in this area. I think we're gonna go to the Melrose